Vitamin D3 rodent bait sounds appealing as a powerful, single-feed option, but it demands very strict, careful use in do-it-yourself pest control. These newer baits use a high dose of vitamin D3 that causes rodents to absorb too much calcium, leading to organ failure after a single feeding, which is why they are both effective and risky. For homeowners, the first rule is to buy only consumer products that are clearly labeled for residential use and never to handle any raw active ingredient. Always read the entire label before opening the package, then read it again as you set up, because every direction and warning has legal weight and safety value. Place bait only in tamper-resistant stations that fully close, cannot be easily shaken open, and are designed so that a rodent must enter a small tunnel to reach the internal bait compartment. Position stations along walls, behind appliances, and in dark, quiet areas where you see droppings or grease marks, and never in open floor areas, food prep spaces, or where children or pets can reach. Check stations at least weekly, top up only according to the label, and remove bait and stations promptly once activity stops so you are not leaving poison out longer than necessary. One big mistake is treating vitamin D3 bait like a casual, open food bait and tossing loose blocks or pellets where rodents travel, which exposes children, pets, and wildlife. The fix is simple. Use only locked, tamper-resistant stations anchored or tucked away as the label describes. Another problem is ignoring local rules, such as restrictions on outdoor placement or use near water, which can lead to fines or environmental harm. The fix is to check your local pesticide regulations online or through your county extension office before you buy anything and match the product label to those rules. A third common issue is poor monitoring, either never checking stations or moving them constantly, which breaks the rodent's sense of security. The fix is to place stations in stable locations along runways, mark the spots on a simple sketch, and then inspect on a steady schedule until you see no fresh droppings or feeding. BigHomeProjects.com gives homeowners a simple place to find local pest control professionals if vitamin D3 baits feel too risky to handle alone. We also help contractors get discovered by nearby customers, and we host a discussion community where homeowners and pros can trade practical pest control tips and real-life experiences.